Hi, this is Bella from CRCHI. Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll be showing you around. CRCHI is a large and professional enterprise integrating the research, design, manufacturing, and service for underground engineering equipment and rail transit equipment. In 2022, we rank number 1 for world full-section tunnel boring machine and number 5 for Chinese construction machinery manufacturer and number 30 for world top 50 construction machinery manufacturer. Right now, I'm in CRCHI's production base, and it covers an area of 166 acres, and it's got 24 production lines for tunnel boring machines and drilling and blasting equipment. Firstly, we're going to visit the assembly area of tunnel boring machines. CRCHI has got the world's biggest and the most professional production lines for tunnel boring machines. The annual production capacity is up to 200 sets, and so far we have sold more than 1,000 sets of TBMs. CRCHI's TBMs occupy half of Chinese market, of which the hot rock TBM and large diameter TBM rank the first in Chinese market share. CRCHI's TBMs have been applied in many key projects in the fields of metro, railway, coal mine, and water conservancy in more than 30 Chinese cities. And they have also been exported to foreign countries, such as Italy, Turkey, Serbia, Sri Lanka, India, Singapore, Philippines, South Korea, and etc. As you can see, this one is an open-type gripper TBM. It has a diameter of 7.03 meters. And this one is meant for the hard rock. It will be used for a Chinese very important project, that is a Chinese Beishan hard rock underground laboratory project. And on the other hand, and as you can see, this one is another bigger one, and it has a diameter of 9.1 meters. It is a multi-mode TBM, which combines the two different tunneling modes, that is EPB mode and single shield mode. And this one will be used for the construction of the Guangzhou to Shenzhen intercity railway project. And okay, that's all for the TBM. And next we're going to visit the assembly area of drilling and blasting equipment in this factory. And okay, let's get moving. Drilling and blasting method is a traditional method of tunnel construction, which is applied for almost 70% of tunnel construction. Excavation is realized by the drilling holes in the rock and then blasting. The categories of CRCHI's drilling and blasting equipment include prop drill, excavation, primary support, mark delivery, secondary lining, auxiliary work, inspection and maintenance. We're dedicated to providing a total smart and integral solution for any complicated tunnel construction. This one is 3016, which is a mobile short crane machine. It's suitable for medium to large size tunnels, and its improved boom and pump ensure excellent pumping efficiency and less rebound, resulting in high productivity and less waste and good quality. And it is the best choice for your mechanized tunnel construction. This HPS 3016 short crane machine is suitable for different kinds of tunnels and can move smoothly on any complicated surfaces, as it has, as you can see, this specially designed robust carrier and solid tires. And this machine features four-wheel drive and four-wheel steering. With the remote control function, the operator can safely and comfortably mount the boom from a distance. It enables fast concrete spraying. The maximum concrete output is up to 30 cubic meters per hour. Spraying posture, pumping volumes, and accelerated dosages are adjustable from the remote control unit in real time, resulting in rebound rate controlled below 10%. CRCHI's shotcrete machines have been applied in key railway projects at home and abroad, such as Georgia Modern Railway Project, Nairobi to Malabar Railway in Kenya, Kesem Dam Water Diversion Tunnel Project in Ethiopia, and Chinese Linqing to Lhasa Railway Project. With CRCHI's shotcrete machine, the customer supports the rock in a high efficiency and a safe way, even in the unfavorable geologies. The products have been well received and praised by the customer for their good quality and excellent performance. Okay, that's all for the shotcrete machine. Next, I'm going to show you the drilling jumbo. Let's go. This is ZYS 113 drilling jumbo, which is equipped with 3 booms. It is suitable for medium to large size tunnels with cross-section over 150 square meters. It is your best choice for your tunnel construction, giving its high precision positioning, faster drilling, solid drill rig, and reduced overbreak and underbreak. With ZYS 113, breaking ground is made easy, safe, and economical thanks to its smart digital control system, which ensures easy operation, faster drilling rate, excellent functional integration, and a safe construction. 3 durable booms can be controlled both respectively and simultaneously, making accurate and faster positioning. Automatic drilling is realized without need to plot drill positions on the excavation area in advance thanks to its computer system, which allows you to import blast hole design graphs into the computer. With its big power drill rig, faster drilling is realized, with its maximum speed being up to 3 to 5 meters per minute. Other than blast hole drilling, the machine can realize pipe shed operation and advanced exploration drilling. ZYS 113 drilling jumbos have been applied in many important railway projects at home and abroad, such as Zhengzhou to Wanzhou High-Speed Railway, Ganzhou to Shenzhen High-Speed Railway, Neom City Tunnel Project in Saudi Arabia. With ZYS 113, the customer easily broke the ground even in the unfavorable geologies or toughest rock conditions. The products have been well received and praised by the customers for their good quality and excellent performance. Okay, next we're going to visit the machining area in this factory. Okay, let's go. This area is for the machining in this production base, and in order to satisfy the needs of key part machining, CRCHI has more than 600 sets of machining equipment and tools. As you can see, these 2 machines are drilling machines. They are used to handle large-sized parts, such as TBM's cut head, TBM shield, a main drive gearbox, etc. Next to the drilling machines are turning, milling, grinding compound machining center and turning, milling compound machining center. They can be used to handle the large-sized parts, such as TBM's shield, TBM cut head, and main drive. The swing diameter of these machines is 10 meters, and they can handle the parts up to 5 meters high. This one is a little bit different from the other 2 because it has the function of grinding other than turning and milling. Grinding can realize the surface precision machining of high precision parts such as gearbox and rings. This is the welding robot, which has 4 welding arms. Its 4 welding arms can work at the same time. It can realize the automatic welding for large-sized parts, such as TBM cut heads, TBM shields, cut holder, and segment erector beam. Okay, next we're going to see our big house. Let's move. In order to quickly respond to the supply requirement of materials and parts, CRCHI has built this big warehouse. It is 170 meters long, 48 meters wide, and 22 meters high. It covers an area of more than 5,600 square meters. It can store more than 60,000 items. Delivery and store uses automatic distribution without manual participation, greatly reducing the labor intensity and greatly improving the work efficiency. This big warehouse is linked to WMS, that is Warehouse Management System, and ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning System, which enables the pickup robot to take the part you want when it receives the order and then deliver it to the pickup place. The quickest delivery time for one item is just within a minute. The data transmission between information systems ensures accurate delivery of parts or materials. Well, the factory tour for today is finished here. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask our sales manager. Thanks for listening. Bye.